Hey everyone, today I'll show you all how to get one free simple small little software that actually helps you to remove your malwares and other such infections, but only malware related. Okay, so yeah, the link is in the description. That sounds convincing. 60+ million downloads. So you can either download trial version pro edition for 14 days, or you can download the free edition. We can download the free edition because we are pro. I'm pro, so yeah. As you can see, my net is super fast. Yeah, so you will get like this after 1,000 years, like mine if you have a slow internet. Anyway, so you download it. I'll be back in a second, okay? So after I've downloaded it, just click open and install by default. Okay, next for who is in this, all users. Okay, next, and it will install. Nope, I'm sorry. Check for recent definite submit. Okay, why not? Finish. Now let's check him out. Okay, just click open it. So scan is completed and it has detected 4 items which are not needed for this computer. You can check it out. What are the files? These are actually not good and you are not supposed to have this on a computer. So just click continue and it will delete all the file. Okay, as simple as that. Now you can get this features if you have pro version, if you have paid for it, but in this case we haven't paid it, so we are gonna only get this. Let's check on what is on system tools. We have a lot of stuff here, right here, like repairs, removal tool, and there's a game mode as well. Okay, if you enable this, it will do some settings and it will help for better performance of your game. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it. If you don't have anti-malware bytes, or if you don't like it for some reason, this is good alternative for spyware or malware removal tool. Okay, and you have to know one thing, that this is not a virus antivirus software. It's a spyware. It's for Trojan horses and adwares and cookies and all those nonsense which you don't need in computer, okay, which are harmful. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video. Just please make sure to subscribe this channel. Okay, I really want to reach 1K subscriber. Peace guys, I'm out.